I just waxed my hood before everybody else gets here, doing my pre-trip and everything. And but today we're gonna be going up Mississippi, getting a load of peanuts, driving 2 hours, and dropping them off over in Atmore, Alabama, and hopefully do that twice today. We'll see what happens. Yesterday it took us 4 hours to get loaded for the first time, so we weren't able to do 2 runs, but sometimes that happens. But let's see. All right, everybody's here. We about get going here. I guess talk a little bit. This is my truck. It's 2023 Peterbilt 389. 2023's you had to get the digital dash. Could have gotten the gauge package, but they chose to get the little smart thing out. But it's got 141,000 miles on it, so basically still brand new. But yeah, we run hopper bottoms and end dumps here. There's a couple more end dumps over there. Boss's truck is over in the shop, hooked up to his hopper bottom. We're currently connected to our peanut trailers, which are just taller hopper bottoms. But yeah, should begin going here shortly. Not sure what they're doing up there, but I guess I could go find out, but I don't feel like it. So Jody's one of his drive tires was low on air, so that's what they're doing now. Got him pulled up by the shop. Hopefully get out here soon. Still kind of on time. Trying to get there between 7:30 and 8. So it's 5:40 right now. Takes, I don't know, just under 2 hours. So yeah. Alright, well, we had to patch a tire. And old boss man's come out now. Now it's almost 7, but you know, that's how it goes sometimes. Boss man's about to leave. I don't know where he's going to get. I think he's running soybeans right now, but we're about to head out. Made it to the peanut place. Oh, shut up. Calvin's getting loaded now. And I'm waiting my turn. Jody is over there now. So, shouldn't be too much longer. We'll be loaded and on our way to Atmore. Got here just right at 9 o'clock, so not too bad for having plug a tire this morning, but wish we could have been here a little earlier. But that's how it goes. For those that don't know, whenever you're loading peanuts, for example, there's this buzzer here. And whenever it buzzes, you move up a little bit. And whenever it buzzes again, you stop. On the back bin now, so should hear the buzz any second now. There's also that little light there. Calvin's loaded, he's headed out right now. It's really dusty here. It's really hard to keep a clean truck. It's actually kind of impossible to keep a clean truck. Going up to the front silo, so you still see that light. You hear the buzzer a little less, but you can still see the light. But they ran out of peanuts on the back silo, so moved up to the front. I only got probably a few more buzzes until I'm full. Try to do it smoothly, but sometimes it's kind of hard. You don't really want to. You want to kind of get going pretty fast when he buzzes it, and you want to stop pretty fast when he buzzes it. So it's kind of hard to be smooth. But yeah, buzzed it a bunch of times. Now I'm gonna go down this hill. As you can see how dirty my hood is. I'm gonna go down this hill, get a little bit of speed, not too much. Now I'm gonna slam on the brakes to try to get these piles down. Because they pile them up pretty high, try to even them out a little bit. Really top heavy, so you don't really want to turn on that hill either. So, but our drive airbags are just under 70, so I should be good here. We have harvest permits, so we're allowed up to 88,000 pounds. So we'll see. I'll pull up on scale, get back with y'all after I get my paperwork. All right, so I had to go back and get just a little bit more, but 85,000 exactly, pretty much, with me in it. You know, it's 85. I don't even know anymore. But 85,000. So I'm pull up here. Jody's getting loaded now, and I'm roll my tarps. Well, tarp. See, if they're lucky, they got automatic tarps, automatic lift axle, automatic traps. This is a borrowed trailer, so we ain't got all that, but whatever. All right, tarps on. Let's get going. We're at our delivery point. Now just waiting on, there's a person up there, you can kind of see his nose up there. Getting unloaded. And we got that guy, and Calvin's up in front of me. But behind me, there is a yard dog with one of their trailers they're gonna unload, and a white and blue truck, which is kind of like the same guys that different company, but they kind of do the same routes we do. And Jody should be coming in right behind him in, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. So yeah, that's where we're at. Well, trying to make up some time so I didn't talk about when I was getting unloaded or whatever, but we're back getting loaded again. We're gonna try and make one more run. Be a little late day, but last 2 days were pretty short, so it makes up for it. But yeah, I'll get back to you when we're loaded, head back to Atmore. It's gonna be the last delivery we do today, then head back to the shop and come back do it again tomorrow. But they're unloading one trailer right now. I'll be done in, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. And yeah, sun's starting to set, looks real pretty. Yeah, not a bad day. Made good money today, so that's good. Again, hours. I'm at 12 hours right now of work. Not all work. We didn't leave the shop till 7. It's 6 right now, so hardly call that work. But I'll be done before the 14-hour mark. I should be done at the very latest 7. So yeah, not too bad. Probably, it depends on what they do. Could come in early tomorrow, could come in a little later tomorrow. Don't know what the plan is yet. They'll call, see kind of how many peanuts they have. They only sent 2 of us back up there, not all 3 of us. So I think they're on the low side of peanuts. Never know. But we'll see. Don't matter to me. But I'll put in some shots of this sunset going down, and I'll try to remember to record some stuff on the way home. Yeah, not too bad. But if y'all like kind of what y'all saw, like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see. I mean, I don't do the same thing all the time. Changes with the season. We do end dump, as I said earlier in the video, so could do some videos on that as well. We just did some deliveries of lime and gypsum last week. I think there's some more lime that we got to deliver. I know soybeans is starting to kick off, so we'll get the smaller hopper for that one. But yeah, also I want to do some videos on cleaning my truck, because I like cleaning it, and I like a clean truck. So I don't know, I'll just try to remember to record stuff and put it out there. If y'all want to watch it, y'all can watch it. But yeah, I'll see y'all probably tomorrow. So yeah, see ya.